In last video, I have talked about the sales processes and the three most important things in sales processes. I have said the importance of prospecting, the closing and follow-up. And today videos, I'm going to talk about why the salespeople are failing. What is the reason that our salespeople are not making money, are not generating income, or not generating revenue. And if you are an entrepreneur, business person, or salesperson, this video is for you. 6 reasons that salespeople are failing. And without being delayed, let me get into our first reason that the salespeople are failing is work ethic. Yes, work ethic is really important in a sales job. You need to have a great work ethic. We left our job and we became a independent contractor, self-employed, and we try to be in a sales role, right? And if we have like same kind of mindset that we have in a job, like 9 to 5 types of mindset, we will not make it in the sales role. We need to put our effort, energy in order to generate revenue in the sales role. You have to have a clear mindset, you need to dedicate it, and also you need to work hard. It is not a 9 to 5 gig. So having same types of mindset, role is a job, doesn't work in a sales job. Because you are working for yourself. That means you need to put hard work. You need to put a lot of effort, energy, in order to success. So keep in mind, work on your work ethic. Once you fix your work ethic habit, you'll definitely succeed. And the number one reason, and it is the most important things in sales role, is work ethic. The second reason that our salespeople are failing because not willingness to take up bold risks. They don't have audacity to go talk to people or approach our customers. If you are not approaching a customer or not talking to the customer, how you gonna make it, right? How you gonna do the sales, right? So you need to take a risk to go approach the people. You need to take a risk to talk to the stranger. Just forget about the rejection, just go talk to the people, just ask for the sales, So that's how you make money. That's how you succeed in sales role. The third reason that our salespeople are failing is because not having product knowledge or industry specific knowledge. So you are failing because you are not educated on the product that you are selling. What I mean to say that is, while you are selling a product and services, you will get objection, you will get a lot of objection. The only way you can handle those objections once you have a product knowledge, what kind of values that the product provides and what kind of benefits that the customer are getting. You need to have a product knowledge first, and also you need to have a industry specific knowledge so you can stand out from rest of the salesperson, and also you'll definitely make it. You'll generate the revenue the way you want. So far, I have said work ethic, not willingness to take a bold risk, product knowledge or industry specific knowledge, and number 4 is over investment in unqualified customers or opportunities. You need to find that out. Is this person really qualified for this product? For example, if you are a realtor, customer came in and he wants to have $1 million house. That customer will get house if he has 20% down and good credit. What if that person doesn't have a 20% down and a good credit? He's not qualified, right? So what I mean is, don't over invest in the customer that are not qualified. Quality over quantity. It looks you are putting a lot of effort, you are working hard. At the end, you are not making money because you are over investment on the unqualified customers. The only reason you will find out because you'll ask a question, fact finding questions. That is why don't over invest in the person or customer that is not qualified. Invest in the person who are qualified, and the person who are qualified, only you make money or you make commission off of that customers or that client. So keep in mind that quality over quantity. Number 5 is not setting a goal for a day. The reason that our salespeople are failing is because they are setting a goal for a year. If you are in a sales role or salesperson, you need to set a goal for a day. So you need to break that down to the month, week, and day. So you need to win a day first. You need to set a goal for the day and hit that goal. That's how you will generate revenue the way you want in a sales role. Let me give you an example. In football, there are 4 quarters. Whenever the offense, defense they are playing, they only think about that drive. They will not think about the entire game, right? So that's what I mean. You gotta think about now, that drive, that day. Set the goal for that day, and then rest will fall in place. You can definitely achieve the goal for a year. And number 6, the reason that our salespeople are failing is because not having a product belief. The person who are selling or who are in the sales role are failing because they are not having product belief. They don't have a confidence over that product. So you need to do your due diligence first. Am I doing the right thing? This product, definitely provide a, great value to my customers, whoever I am serving. So you need to find that out. And you should have a product belief, then you'll definitely achieve a success or generate the revenue the way you want. So far, I have said 6 reasons. Number 1 is work ethic. Number 2 is not willingness to take a bold risks. Number 3 is product knowledge or industry specific knowledge. Number 4 is overinvestment in unqualified customers. Number 5 is not setting a goal for a day. And number 6 is product belief. And I want you guys to go over it, work on these 6 things, be efficient in your sales role. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to mention in the comment section. And also, if you guys think I added a value to you, please don't forget to like my videos and also subscribe my channel, so that's how you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Having said that, I wish you all good luck and take care. I'll see you in next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.